Welcome to this video. If you're watching this video, you are about to receive a free niche. The keywords that I recommend you target, exactly how to build the site and recommendations on that. And I'll also explain why I picked the niche and why it's a really good one. So if you follow this video and do the stuff I'm going to tell you what to do, you will make some money. So do follow it, let me know how you get on. And again, come back and let me know what once you've followed it, if that makes sense. I've actually picked the niche for the time of year as well. It's a really good one. So the first thing is, through the link below, do check this out. It's the 2021 quick start. If you want a site built for you, 3,000 words per page, header graphics, background graphic done for you, all the interlinking, all the SEO, and of course really good content. Do check it out. You get 3,000 words per page, fully SEO'd and interlinking, logo and background done for you, menu set up, and you've also got a massive quick start bonus, which is actually a $995 coaching course for free. So do check that out. That's a coaching course that has actually been set up, so when you get your site, all you have to do is follow the coaching and you can actually go on and make money with the site, in how much content to add and what to do next in a coaching format. So if you want to get going fast, do check that out. I haven't got that many spots left on this because it is limited, because you're getting the free coaching course and you're able to get the site built for you at half price. So do check that out. It's through the link below. The video here will explain everything that you get as well. And in this video, do grab a pen and paper for this. It will really help you. I'm going to run through, I'm going to explain the niche, show you the keywords, and give you some recommendations on how to build the site. So here we go. Number one, commission rates. So commission rates have dropped a bit on Amazon. They don't go up much, they go down. But the beauty of it is, a lot of people go, right, no point in Amazon then, and they leave, so you've got very little competition. I'm going to show you a niche that it really doesn't affect you, and I'll explain why. Really simple, but that's sometimes the best answers, and it's because of this. The niche I've picked is actually in the lawn and garden area, which will pay 3%. Okay, so it's in the middle. And the actual niche I've picked is hot tubs. Really good niche, because they've got really good price points. It's coming up to the best time of year for them. Okay, and there's lots of different keywords that you can target for these hot tubs that aren't overly competitive. Okay, so if you're trying to get ranked on hot tubs, you're going to have a job. But there's other phrases that I'm going to explain to you now, which ones to target that work really well. The other good thing about this particular niche is the price points are really high. So if you're selling the product at $7,000, I'll just work this out. Okay, just worked it out. If you're selling the product round about $7,000, you're going to get 210 commission off 3%. So even though it's 3%, the price points are that high that you're going to make good commission off it as well. So you only need a few of them. Look, there's a $2,000 one, there's a $500 one, there's even with the 500. Okay, so even with the standard, I've done it on 500, not 521, but you're making like $15. Is that right? Hang on, let me check this. Yes, it is right. So 15, you're making like $15 commission off a standard hot tub. Well, that's like 521, that's 649, so you're going to make more. So if you're making 2 or 3 or 4 sales a day off these, and you've got a site that's ranking, they're all good price points, and you've got some big price points in there as well. So really good niche. The other reason it's a good niche is, of course, because it's coming up to spring, summer, and it's going to be really good. This would be a perfect niche to keep and to build up, or it would be a fantastic one to build up and then to flip, because obviously as it comes into spring, you've got really good price points there. How I recommend you build the site is this. So let me start from this way, and then I'll give you the keywords. Okay, so the way I recommend you build the site is content, reviews, as I've spoken about on the YouTube channel for years now, like good reviews. I recommend doing the reviews of the top 10 or 20, so hot tubs in this case, okay, and making sure that you structure your review Just if you're watching this and you're into like article spinners and push button sites and that's just not going to make any money. So I've got nothing against them because they do what they say. But if you're using them, you're never going to rank on Google. I mean, Google have got really advanced algorithms, and they're just never going to go, you know what, you got us. You used an article spinner, and we didn't prepare for that. So it's just in my opinion, it's a waste of time doing that. You need content. You don't. The good thing is you don't need to make your content absolutely exceptional. You just need to make sure it's quality. So I'll just show you. You know, you just need to make sure that it's laid out, gives relevant information, and it doesn't matter if it's not absolutely perfect. Just good quality info. Okay. I recommend when you see the link below, it takes you through to the quick start offer. That's why I'm doing 3,000 words per page. You might think that's a lot, but you're gonna rank better like that. Okay. So the way I recommend you build the site is do your reviews first, and then load them in. Put the main title as the product name. Okay, and then review. So you write in all your reviews, and then in terms of keywords, so the way I do it is like pages, so your keywords linking back. The way I would do it, you need your keywords then, and the way I would do it is, top 10 lists and also suggestions where you can link back to the reviews that you've already got on your site. So in terms of keywords for this niche, this is another really cool thing. So if you just looked at hot tubs, you're going to have a hard time getting ranked. There are 450,000 searches a month for that term, which is phenomenal, but it's going to be hard to rank. Inflatable hot tubs is going to be hard to rank, but where you start to get some real traction with a huge amount of searches is this. Look at this, 2-person hot tub, okay, and only a 41 search difficulty. Jacuzzi hot tub, 49. You've got that won't be applicable, but you've got here as well cheap hot tubs. This is a really good targeting the people. Okay, so you've got 1-person hot tubs, 2-person, 3-person, 4-person, 5-person, and so on. Okay, and these are things that people are typing in. Hot tub 6-person. The other thing that you could target on key phrases, look at this, guys, hot tub 8-person, and they're 4,400 searches and only a 37 search difficulty. The other things that you could look for are brands that people are actively looking for. They're also, I'm on a free thing of Uber Suggest, so it won't give me the thing, but another really good way of getting ranked is to do versus hot tub versus jacuzzi, which one is best and the difference. Okay, and the other thing I would target is the brand names. So when we go through to here, you've got all the brand names, Coleman being a really, really big one, and so on. You've got them all here, like Best Away, Coleman, Intex, Alikio, Essential Hot Tubs. You've got them all there, so you target them. You target inflatable, portable, and occupancy, 4-person hot tubs, 5-person, and you'd list them. Make sure that you have your reviews on the site first, and then make sure that you do the keywords linking back, and that will work really, really well. So there's a niche for you, exactly how to get ranked. The reason it will work so well is because there's relatively small search difficulty on them, and you can get up and running quite quickly and do it like that. It won't be that hard to do, and you'll have a perfect site. What I recommend you do is make some money and then flip it, or it will do all year round. It's obviously going to do far better in spring, summer, and even autumn time, full time, but you've still got a really, really good site there that you can sell on or you can keep. So take advantage of that niche. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll help. And if you just want the whole thing done for you, do check out the 2021 Quick Start. The link is below, and that will really, really help you because it allows you to get a site out there. You don't have to have a site built in the hot tub niche. I'm just giving you an example, but you will have a site built for you in equally as good a niche, so you can start making money. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys.